AI isn't just for high-tech labs or hospitals. It is also transforming one of humanity's oldest industries, agriculture. Farmers around the world are now using artificial intelligence to grow food more efficiently, protect the environment, and feed a growing population. Let's explore how. 1. Smart crop monitoring. First, AI helps farmers monitor crops with incredible accuracy. Drones and satellites capture images of farmland, and AI models analyze those images to detect early signs of disease, pests, or water stress, problems that the human eye might miss until it's too late. With AI alerts, farmers can act quickly, saving crops and reducing losses. 2. Precision farming. Second, AI powers precision farming. Instead of watering or fertilizing an entire field, AI tells farmers exactly where and how much to apply, down to specific plants. This not only increases crop yield but also reduces waste of water, fertilizer, and pesticides. It's better for farmers, and it's better for the planet. 3. Predicting yields and weather. Third, AI predicts crop yields and weather patterns. By analyzing past climate data, soil conditions, and market trends, AI gives farmers insights into when to plant, how much to harvest, and even how prices may change. This kind of forecasting helps farmers plan ahead and reduce financial risk. 4. Smart machines and robotics. 4. Smart machines and robotics. Robots in the fields. From self-driving tractors that can plant seeds with precision, to robotic harvesters that pick fruits without damaging them, AI is making farming less labor-intensive. These smart machines work day and night, increasing efficiency and helping to address labor shortages. 5. Sustainable agriculture. Another big advantage, sustainability. AI can help farmers reduce chemical use, conserve water, and cut carbon emissions. By analyzing soil health and crop rotation, AI supports more sustainable farming practices that protect ecosystems and ensure long-term food security. Conclusion: $2.50 to $3. So next time you eat a piece of fruit or a bowl of rice, remember, AI might have played a role in bringing it to your table. From monitoring crops to predicting yields, from robotics to sustainability, AI is helping farmers feed the world, smarter, safer, and greener.